is here. Hi, Helen.
Hi, Ben. Here in the UK, it's been a tale of contrasts in the weather this weekend. Over 180 millimetres in the wettest spot, that's Argyll and Bute, more than a month's worth of rain, contrasting with nearly 26 degrees further south, where actually we've not had a drop of rain in some parts so far this October. But the rain clearly has led to numerous flood warnings, 2 severe flood warnings. That's a danger to life in Scotland. The Scottish Environment Protection Agency has more information on that, as does our website. Some respite today. This weather front here, a fairly weak affair. Let me show you the rainfall chart. You can see how it's been petering out north of Northern Ireland through southern Scotland and northern England. So it is at least a drier window of weather today, a brighter prospect, but still all that rain's coming down from the mountains and the ground's saturated. So for the rest of the afternoon, some patchy rain edging its way northwards, further south, plenty of sunshine to come. There's some mist and murk around southern and western coasts, but it's warm again. Temperatures 5 to, in places, 10 degrees above average. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight, that rainfall's heading its way towards the Northern Isles, and then we do have more rain coming back in on the next weather front. The wind strengthening into western parts of Scotland. In fact, many parts are seeing some rain through the night. So it's going to be mild right across the board. Temperatures well above the nighttime average, and there'll be lots of misty low cloud in the south under this high pressure further south. Now, the wind does start to strengthen tomorrow, so hopefully that will lift the fog more quickly. But look at the stronger winds coming into the north and the rain. There's another Met Office warning out, 15 to 20 millimetres of rain quite widely across parts of western Scotland, but as much as 40 to 50 over the hills. That's another couple of inches on top of all the 6 or 7 that have already fallen. So we do anticipate that will lead to further flooding. It's still warm, though, further south. Nothing more than the odd shower. But finally, I think, as we go through tomorrow evening and night, that weather front will shift from Scotland, push its way southwards. Perhaps another pulse of really quite heavy rain across Wales and the Midlands for a time, but much brighter skies, drier weather, just a few showers really for Scotland in comparison, but a brisk wind as well on Wednesday near gale force, and it will feel fresher, 10 to 12 degrees Celsius here, still warm even with the rain further south, which takes most of the day to get to southern and eastern areas, and then it grinds to a halt on Thursday. And then it gets really complicated later in the week. We've got low pressure coming in from the north, low pressure pushing out from the south, combining. So with low pressure both in the north and south, I think you're guaranteed to see some more unsettled weather, but of course we'll keep you posted. Ben.
Helen, many thanks indeed, and that is today's BBC News at 1. The news does continue here on BBC One. It's time to join our colleagues across the nations and the regions for the latest news where you are, but from me, do have a good afternoon.